Welcome to another episode of Jeep's Garage version 3.0. This is a Juiced Scorpion. It's a fantastic 750 watt e-bike that we've had since the original Indiegogo campaign. And although we like it, it's a little bit slower than some of our other bikes and occasionally has a little bit of difficulty going up some of the hills. So thought we would make some changes. And this is the off-road controller that Juiced Bikes sells as an optional accessory. This is intended to raise the top speed on throttle alone. Currently it's limited to 20. If you want to go over 20, you do have to be pedaling. But supposedly this allows the motor to pull more amps and in return gives you better performance, better acceleration, but we're going to find out if that's actually the case. And to keep us honest, I'm going to do a full test of the bike with a perfectly full charge without the modification up a hill to see how fast it goes. It won't hit 20 going up this hill, but I'm curious if it will go any faster with the other controller. If it doesn't, it's kind of a waste of money. It's $150. And to do what needs to be done, I'm going to have to take a few pieces apart and we'll get to it. Okay, baseline test. Full charge. This will be no pedaling. And as we can see, we're right at the line where it starts the different type of asphalt. We're going to go up a hill. And here goes. Miles an hour. 16.7 miles an hour. Remember, we're going up a hill. We're almost at 1200 watts and we're about to crest the top of the hill. And there we go. Okay, here's the old controller. Here's the new controller. Other than the different sticker, they look identical. The plugs are all plug and play. I did have to cut a few zip ties to get some of the cables out, but that was to be expected. And some of the cables were a little hard to unplug, but I mean, really, that's no big deal. So I will swap it back in. All right, well, the installation of the off-road kit is done. Now we're going to go ahead and see if it actually made any difference. Okay. Full charge, same spot, off-road kit. Let's see if it makes any difference. $17. 18, 19, 20, top of the hill. Crested 20. So I would say, boom, finish line. It made a difference. While we're at it, let's throttle. See how it goes. Well, we're still getting juice. We're hitting over 30. Well, the gains on the Scorpion with the modifications were marginal but tangible. But I thought just for giggles, I would give this guy a test. This is the CSC FT750. Also has a 750 watt Bafang motor. Also has the same drivetrain. Really, it's only 48 volt versus 52 volt for the Scorpion. And there are no actual modifications to this bike that have been purchased for power, but I did unlock this top speed in the computer. You can just do that by dialing it in with a couple special key presses. So I guess we'll see if this is faster, slower, the same as the Scorpion. It is quite a bit lighter, so I do expect it to possibly be quicker. All right, same spot. We're going to see how the CSC FT750 does. Go. I can tell you that the CSC feels a little quicker right off the line. Interesting. $20. $21. Let's keep going. There you have it, folks. Proof that the off-road controller kit does more than just increase top speed. We got a 2.9 mile per hour increase up an incline. That's a 16.7% increase. You can also pull a CSC FT750 straight out the box, press a few buttons, and get 22.3 miles per hour up that same incline. On level ground, you're looking at 20 miles an hour tops on the stock Scorpion without pedaling. Depending on your weight, you'd get between 28 and 30 on the off-road kit Scorpion, and I see between 30 and 33 with the CSC. Happy riding.